Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap 3 points local and long-distance movers near me. Most people moving out of their homes or changing offices encounter several challenges with the logistics involved. Many of them cannot handle the financial, emotional, and physical pressure that comes with the moving process. Hence, they seek help from their friends and family members. Unfortunately, they don't get the results they desire. If you're one of the hundreds of people planning to relocate within 3 Points, Arizona, or from other cities to the town, you'll need 3 Movers to help you. Our top-rated company has the best administrators and staff who will carefully plan your moving process and execute it to the letter. We also have the best trucks and other moving equipment, which puts us at the forefront of our competitors. We'll always give our best to helping our clients solve their relocation needs. At the end of each moving service we execute, our clients leave pleasant reviews. If you're ready to know more about our excellent local and long-distance moving services, continue reading. A move of 50 miles or more, whether within a state or beyond state boundaries, is considered a long-distance move. An intrastate relocation occurs when you relocate inside a single state. When you migrate from one state to another, it's called an interstate move. 3 Movers is adequately licensed and insured by the state and federal agencies in charge of moving. As a result, we hold the necessary permissions to offer hassle-free interstate and intrastate moving services. We understand how valuable your items are. Therefore, we go above and beyond to protect them. When it comes to sorting, organizing, loading, and offloading your properties, our movers will take great care of it. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.